Navigating your career path. Is DevOps the right choice in 2023? DevOps, which merges development and operations to enhance collaboration and streamline software delivery, has been a buzzword in modern tech circles, promising efficiency and innovation. Rising demand for DevOps talent. The rising demand for DevOps talent is a compelling phenomenon in the technology industry, reflecting the growing need for professionals well-versed in DevOps practices. Here are some key insights into the increasing demand for DevOps talent. Business agility. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, businesses need to be agile and responsive to market changes. Automation. Automation is a central pillar of DevOps. Continuous integration and continuous delivery, CI/CD. DevOps practices encourage the implementation of CI/CD pipelines. Cloud computing. The widespread adoption of cloud platforms, such as AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, has further accelerated the demand for DevOps expertise. Cost efficiency. DevOps can lead to cost savings by reducing downtime, optimizing resource usage, and streamlining development and deployment processes. DevOps offers a definite career path that promises steady growth. DevOps is undeniably offering a well-defined career path with the assurance of steady growth. In recent years, it has evolved into a transformative field within the technology industry, creating a multitude of opportunities for professionals seeking a dynamic and promising career trajectory. Your key responsibility areas, KRA, as DevOps expert. Designing, building, and maintaining infrastructure as code, IAC, to automate the provisioning and management of servers, networks, and storage. Implementing and managing configuration management tools, for example, Ansible, Puppet, Chef, to ensure consistency and scalability in infrastructure. Developing and maintaining CI/CD pipelines to automate the build, test, and deployment processes. Managing cloud infrastructure, for example, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and optimizing resource usage for scalability and cost efficiency. Setting up monitoring and logging tools, for example, Prometheus, ELK Stack, to track system performance, identify issues, and troubleshoot problems proactively. Collaborating with security teams to implement best practices for securing infrastructure and applications. Technical skills needed to build a DevOps career. Version control. Understand how to use tools like Git for code management. Scripting. Be proficient in scripting languages like Bash, PowerShell, or Python. Operating systems. Familiarity with both Linux, Unix, and Windows systems. CI/CD. Understand continuous integration and continuous delivery principles and use CI/CD tools like Jenkins or GitLab CI/CD. Cloud services. Be comfortable with major cloud providers, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. Where can you start your journey in DevOps? To begin your journey in DevOps, start by understanding its core principles and then delve into practical skills. Learn version control with Git and acquire basic scripting abilities in languages like Bash or PowerShell. Decide on a specific area of focus within DevOps, whether it's automation, cloud, or security. How far would you like to go in DevOps? By choosing a DevOps training course that offers a complete learning path, you can take your DevOps career as high as your ambition goes. You can enroll in the DevOps Engineer Master's program that adds 6 more courses beyond the DevOps certification training course and several in-depth capstone projects.